Okay, as it be like this now, welcome back, everybody, from the long break. Because many people they worry me. Say, oh, Bolo, what's up now? What's up now? How far now? We don't see you Monday, we don't see you Tuesday, we don't see you. Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down. You know, sometimes people just have to rest the ball. But any which way. But ladies and gentlemen, before I continue with everything, introduction first. I say I go by the name of Balls, baby. Thank you. And of course, my baddest guy, the guy on the wheels of steel and everything.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ.
Yo!
DJ Easy Beats.
That's so. That's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
Like Care Grow, baby. All right, as it be like this now today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to know one amebo. Very, very important. Easy Beat no come my checkpoint. Easy Beat. My guy, my very own guy. He no come my checkpoint. Very, very disappointing. To tell you one thing for this life. Some people will not do your life. They go, they say they be your friends. You understand me now? But not for mouth. So not friends for mouth. You understand? Everything you do for this life, or your those members say that, or your meaning say that on your own.
Okay.
Not depend on any man.
Okay.
If you depend on man go disappoint you.
Okay.
Easy be that day. Easy be the baffle. He run. He just run. He just move away. Easy be tell me why. Okay. Why you miss checkpoint?
Okay, now even if everybody don't understand the reason I miss checkpoint, I don't say Shay, you know why.
Who be Shay?
Shay on top Twitter. Yeah, she even come right up. Come talk say,
how was your
God go bless you now too.
Yeah.
A holiday checkpoint.
Yeah, easy
be. They testify somewhere. She talk out.
Okay, anyway, I just want Bege Easy Beat because he pay me say no day.
No, the thing pay me. No, the thing even pay me say I know they there because I know the way we take anticipate for that date. As I can't see many stuff on Instagram, for Twitter, as in an office day, they pay me for body.
Because some of our fans, some in fact, some of our guys from late night show they watch come the show. And because the way Easy Beat, I say man, my guy just. But okay, maybe I was giving you an excuse ahead of time. Easy Beat actually know that around because he been travel, go to some other things, got some other hustle based on some, So that ain't get reasonable reason why no make camp. All right. But at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, awesome show on Saturday. And today, on top of the late night show, beautiful show now we'll get tomorrow. Independence. Oh, Bagada. Hey. So any which way, when I all sit back, relax. The show's supposed to make brain today, okay? But before we begin, post 101 things, ladies and gentlemen. Send your own, don't forget. Easy. We ready?
We're ready.
Post 101, let's go. You go.
Pose you just finish. You know we don't know anything.
Yeah, pose you finish. Come on. Pose you girls they try you. Some girls they take 100 pictures, all the 100 different poses. But men no get time. All right, so quickly, we'll start the show. We dey come back with Cocoa of the Day, and thereafter I will bring my guy, my G, launch a video and every big mo come on top of the show. So let's go there. Easy.
I know, boy. Anyway, Tonga the rhyme with corner. Will you come with me to my corner? I won't give you hard drive format. May was Senebe 5 on that. Nice chick, may a chroma. Maybe do nice flick with my Kodak. Freeze, baby cheese. Oh gosh, your body, maybe boom to say kunka. By the way, frozen, vibe that. Cause they can't say me shower revival. But I mean, and I'm to man try that. And then, some chill revival. So I give us a 6 hours. Nice couple, We see cancel hen into the tri-castle. What? Who a boy until we can't cuddle? Chese Oshe Calvin Klein, Meshe Whitechapel. Sa, Mate. Mean to me, but Meshe winning quite semi back. It was it, me bitty, wappy. Yes, and your fact on the track, me is slow or your fast on a 1 minute pack, wappy. They want to say move fruit. If you pull my throw, you do.
No be you a carry come. When I you a the carry go.
All right. Baby sweet, I'm on a yesterday.
Only you want it.
My brother, I carry DJ for him. Inside my mind, they play DJ, they do DJ work, and they mix things. All right, so as it be like this now, don't want to enter the cocoa of the day.
Make a tell them the cocoa, make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa, make a tell them the cocoa.
All right, Golo. All right, quickly. Cocoa number 1.
Bango!
Baga dig big bag B. Now, you see, parents have to be very, very careful. They need to be very, very careful when it comes to teachers and people that want to leave their children for their hand to take care of. Okay. You know, like guardians and teachers and some kind of people. Because these days, people the way would even trust. See? Even some men of God. Would they even trust. Don't talk of different people. They would don't, go do by force torchlighting with some young people. They would not supposed to arrange that kind of level with. Now, the first story I get for here show how CCTV camera catch one drama teacher for Bodo Ibo. The man, na drama teacher in B, so he get students them under him when they teach drama. Okay. So they can't do one major play one day, but if you say before that play, he always tell one girl who they for inside in class. Say, you know those guys, you know how some men say they look some girls sometimes. You say, I beg you come on here, come on there. So you just find like wish. Okay. It be like compliment, but at the same time, that's still one kind of way of toasting. Yeah. You understand? Now the teacher now come they begin the girl onto this kind of level. He say, man, see the teacher now, the teacher with that. He always worry the girl. Say for class, say you are too attractive to teach. You are too attractive to teach. No. Last. They come on the day of the drama presentation. After everything done finished, they come show where teacher. Later, camera come catch the teacher as in they come out from under the stage of the where they do the drama. Under the stage. That's one place there where they play office. Under there, the teacher all come out, not say the get self fall out. And say, wow. Don't go.
Don't dramatize.
Hey, don't dramatize. You start with that. You gotta go lick still. Yeah? But on top of that, they don't begin the guy now. You know, another guy come out again. Say, he told me the same thing. And he did the same thing to me too. Then the guy say, no. Say that first girl. Say, I beg. Say, no. That first girl. Say, nothing like that happened. That's this one we can't come out now. Say, nothing like that happened. So but the first girl. Nine go do some kind of things. We say, he did very, very sorry. One thing.
Don't wait. Can't talk last time. Don't enjoy the come up from under the stage.
No, the one we can't talk later.
Say not do anything with that one.
He say not do anything with that one. No, say now this one now where they catch him with camera. They come out now. He actually do some kind of things with. But well, because they say on top of the level, they say after I don't talk that thing, say you are too attractive. Think you use hand can't wipe them for. You understand? You're not kind of say. You know some old men they always do. This one guy. Yeah. Now the level the guy all put there, but they don't begin out at the end of the year. But waiting this whole thing just carry my mind go be say, man, everybody just take care. Make sure say they always, ask your children questions. You understand? When they come back, ask them questions. Who go? Anybody touch them? Give your children opportunity to also be able to express themselves to you because this is they happen.
Sure.
Both female and male children,
they happen.
Both female and male children, they happen, all right? So we have to open our eye very, very well. Quickly, cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Now, this family. Imagine say you just day easy. You just wake up one day. Okay. Just open your door. You just for front of your door one big box. You just open the box. Just see like 2.5 billion naira. You don't know where it come from. What do you go do? You go report or you go collabid the thing?
No, that one I go report.
You go report?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If they're like hard drugs now, where you know say if you convert that hard drugs to money, you are made. What do you go do?
I go still report.
You go report?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this family, now see the Obodo Ibo gist too. For Mexico, but they said they just did the chill for Mexico. They just did the chill.
Irate.
The next thing, their roof just burst open. Po! One big bag just fall into the parlor. Bim! Hey? When they go unwrap the thing, you know what they see? Igbo. Like, Igbo. See, wrap. It just land for, bim! Now they come, the owner of house can't carry the Igbo, now can't go report, say, when I can't see things, so that thing was worth $10,000, yes now, $10,000. You know how much $10,000 be? They can't say maybe, police go enter contact, maybe, now those guys they sell drugs, maybe they carry and pass with helicopter, until fall come out, or maybe now drone, we carry one. See, they don't have operation for night for that side. So maybe the drone just go do mistake, leave and you fall into that roof. Yeah. Now people there for area come they say, why you go report to police? If you call up this thing, just turn out to money, go fetch you things. You are made for life. You see, so everywhere people day.
We sabi.
Understand? The woman are one of the good ones for the world where we day. Just like that woman for this side, we see money for airport.
Yeah,
come go report the whole case. You understand? I tell you of how people take day for church. They hear the thing and say, hey, why for church? Why you go report? You know. So at the end of the whole day, but they say her conscience for not Graham. If she go Colombia, they don't go farm selling and everything. Her conscience will not grab. But any which way, you might do the nice thing, you do good thing. But how you feel about the whole level? Let us know. And then lastly, Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Now, schoolboy, we talk say in teacher touchlight and 50 times, and now she don't talk say.
Vocal.
now she don't talk say you don't get belly for them. Very, very one kind thing.
The teacher.
The teacher.
Come.
Now, make I give you address. The teacher and the husband no day.
Okay.
So she don't born one pikin already for the man.
Okay.
When her husband being fiancé or something. He don't already born one pikin for the guy. But along the whole thing now she can't now the teacher, okay, make I even talk the teacher age. The teacher now 30 years old, Caroline Berryman. And the boy now just a smallie of 15 years. 15 years, see the teacher, now her face with that. The boy now 15 years. The teacher na 30 years. So now exactly twice the boy age now she be. And she said, oh, if you see, just steady. La love you. They all they shop themselves, they wipe themselves, they chop every. 50 times. So they happy king. Come they call the boy. Hi, Dad. You know. You must know your father. You are my dad. You are here every time. You're my dad. But any which way, yeah, easy beat. But you don't get this guy. You don't say this things they happen for this side.
Yes, now. Just day on call, you're lock up.
You're lock up. Just from saying that auntie with this some other houses. You
see, she's very fond of him.
Very fond. Yeah, that one. Hey, easy beat. That are the word. Easy. That the word. You know, I'm very fond of him. Hey. Go look for back. What did they do with it?
I did tell
wounding.
You. They go shock you.
They spoil some young children's life and their ministry. Can't scar the boy for life. They said you scarred him for life.
I tell you.
I mean.
And the boy man got say good in James.
They say boy. Then they call boys rape. Then they call boys molest. Boys. How many did they report? How many did they report? You go. But if not gay. They say
she was used.
70 years old man rape. But boys own. Now they talk how that
auntie. They call her rape.
No, they call her rape. Sad. Because the boy they always feel the whole thing. Guys say, wow, me and that auntie, auntie, put my hand here. Yeah? But they say, men own different, women own different. But all are still rape. Yeah. All are still molestation. All right. So anybody who gets strategies on top of that level, just let us know on top your own. On top was at W Late Night Show, and then for there we go follow on gist all the gist. All right, so easy. For now, we will just go on the break. By the time we come back now, we'll enter into interview proper. I'll bring in Big Mo, and then after that one, bring in 2 young stylists there for inside Nigeria. We'll follow us talk everything about styling. So don't go anywhere. We the come back.
I know so just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we